Hey there, YouTube family. Welcome if you are new here. If you are a returning viewer or slash subscriber, welcome back. I know it's been a while since I've been on to do an unboxing. Things have been pretty busy for me, but I did want to come back to show you guys some things that I picked up. But today I am going to unbox an item that I received from Save Bullets. If you guys have been following me, you know that I have maybe 3 other videos with items that I received from this company. They have, if you know bags, top quality. I have one that I have used for several months now, and I just love it. And I mean, it feels great, no issues whatsoever. But yeah, I'm trying not to make this video too long. So this is how the box comes, with these on the corners, to protect the box, because sometimes they ship things and the items are all, the box is all messed up. But this is, I'll tilt this so you guys can see a little bit better. This is the box that your item will come in if you order from them. And then this out. And it does have a bag in the bottom. So let's move this out of the way. The bag that they sent me is one of my favorite Louis Vuitton style bags. And this particular size, this will be my 3rd one. So let's pull the string. And like I said, it will come boxed like this. This is just to show you guys this is an authentic Louis Vuitton box. And that's how it, looks. Similar, as you can see. And like I said, it will come like this. Put the ribbon to the side. Let's get her in frame. And the box is a magnetic box, as you can see. And then inside of the box, you have the envelope with, information, receipt, all that good stuff. And here she is. As you can see, she's not a large bag. I've noticed lately I've gotten more into my smaller bags. I'm starting to carry my smaller bags more often now. Don't get me wrong, I love my on-the-go totes. I like to use my Neverfulls for travel and if I need it for work. But this style for everyday use. At the bottom of the bag, you have some tissue paper, and then this is just some information about the company. And I will have a link in the description box. You will click on the link if you would like to check out this bag or some of their other bags. So the information will be in the description box on how to order. Okay, let's move her a little closer. Okay, look at there. I don't know what it is, guys, but lately I have been into the color blue. Particularly this baby blue color. So this is the Speedy 20, and I will insert, because I did not bring my notes, but I will put on the screen the exact name of this bag from the collection. So this is a fairly new collection. So of course you guys know the Speedy 20 is not the smallest. The Nano is the smallest, but this is the size up from the Nano, but of course smaller than the 25. So there she is. Look at the gold, it's perfect. And it does come with a crossbody strap, just like my other one. And this is Empreinte leather. This is not canvas. This material is Empreinte leather. Feels very soft leather. So the inside, hopefully you guys can see it okay. I apologize for the lighting. but it's a baby blue color, just like the accent, the fleur-de-lis, and the LV, the large LV, same. And this is the strap that it comes with, and of course all Speedies come with a lock and key. So perfect color for the lock and the key. You can see that. And I usually just put mine, I don't lock it, but I usually just put mine on the zipper. Some people like to put theirs on the rings, the D-rings on the side, but I prefer to put mine there to save time. I'll do that later. But this is the strap, Empreinte leather strap, and it is adjustable. And I love the little details, you know, makes it more fancy, but you can actually wear this casual also. Sometimes I will switch up my strap with one, you know, if I'm wearing maybe jeans or, you know, something. I mean, I wear this strap with jeans also, but, you know, if I have sweats on or going somewhere, I may switch this strap out so it won't look so it'll look more casual. But yeah, and the strap is long and I love it. I have it already on. Yep, it's on the setting that I need. It's on the 3rd because I am tall. I'm 5'9". So I like to wear this crossbody. Some people wear it over the shoulder. And if you know, if I'm going out date night or whatever, I like to carry it top handle. But yeah, there she is. And like I said, I will leave the information about this bag in the description box line. But like I said, I want to say it came out within the last, I would say, 2 months. It's a fairly new bag. Yeah, there's that cutie. And then I brought out one of my favorite Speedies. This is the Speedy 20 from the By the Pool collection. I believe the drop from last year. And it's also in Empreinte leather. So this is from 2023, and this is from 2024. Oh my goodness. Look how cute. All right, so now I'm going to show you guys quickly what fits inside. I'm going to take the strap out, put it to the side. Of course, you know, Speedies come with a small little pocket. Now that it's just the open pocket, it's not a zip pocket. Hopefully you guys can see in there. Okay, this is a small bag, so it's going to be hard to like see everything in there. I am currently carrying my Keep All. This is from the men's denim. LV did a drop of denim, I want to say the end of last year. I didn't care much for a lot of the bags. I saw 1 or 2 that I considered, but when I saw this, I was like, this is different, and I don't see a lot of people with this, and I just kind of like the raised LV and fleur-de-lis on it. I think it looks, I just like the look of it, something different. And the crossbody strap, and I do wear the crossbody strap. I just took it off, you know, for the video, but I love this. A lot of people don't like these fabric or jacquard straps, but I do. I mean, like I said, when I am more casual, I just throw this on crossbody and go, and they're so comfortable. So this is the strap that came with this bag. And I did not get this bag, of course, I did not get it from LV. I mean, some bags, classic bags, I will buy it from the boutique, but you know, this came from my Instagram seller. And you guys may already know there are other ladies on here that purchased from her also. But if you want more information about her, I can give you my information where you can message me to find out about her. But yeah, this is a small opening. That's another thing about the Keep Alls and the Speedy 25s, unless it's from a special collection. As you can see, the 20s, the zipper goes to the side. So it's, you know, you can open it wider because the zipper comes down. But with the regular Speedies, and then this is the Keep All 25 in the men's collection, it just stops here. So the opening is not that big, but I don't have a problem taking my things out of my bag or putting things in. So I'm going to show you what I have in here. I did purchase, well, I'll get to that when I do go over my denim collection. But I purchased this last year, yeah, from Coach. So this is the Coach corner zip wristlet, I believe, and it comes with the wristlet, the strap, but I took it off. I never really carry the wristlet. I carry anything on my wrist, so I'll just put a charm on here. And this is just my keep all the things I keep in here: lotion, lip gloss, wipes. You guys, if you've seen my videos, you know everything that I keep in here pretty much. So I have that, and then I did purchase this card holder from the Denim Drop. So this is the card holder that I'm currently using. So I think even though this blue is a little darker, it's still going with the blue theme. So until I find another wallet, I probably will carry this in there. And I also have another blue, which is a lighter blue wristlet coming. So for now, I'm going to use that. I also purchased this card holder, actually wallet. This is the smaller wallet. I actually purchased this one from, I was going to say Amazon, no, Macy's. But I was thinking it was the bigger one, but I'm kind of glad that I got this size because this fits better inside of my smaller bags. Like I said, this bag is not super big, so I don't need anything that's going to take up too much space, and it holds my extra cards. So, you know, it's perfect size for me, and then I can carry a card on the back. So this is for my extra cards that I may need. So I may or may not, I really don't think I'll need her in here, but just to see what fits, we'll put that in there. I have my hand sanitizer, put her in the side, and usually I will have a case on this, which I have no idea what I did with my case, but I'll try to find that. I'm filming with my phone. My phone will fit in there, of course. I have this little pouch. Usually I keep my, sometimes I'll put my key fob in there, but right now I think I just have some medicine, some allergy medicine, Tylenol, things like that. And I have hanging on here, which usually I keep inside of there, but I found this cute little key charm, and this just has my Apple AirTag on there. And this sort of matches. I apologize if I'm not in frame. Let's move the stuff over some so you guys can see a little better. Okay, so she will fit down in there. I have my mints. I don't always have those. We'll need my key fob, and something can fit in this pocket. So I think what I'll put in the pocket is the sanitizer, and I have a lot of the Bath and Body Works sanitizer holders that I just put on the side of my bag, so I'll probably do that. But for right now, I'll just put the sanitizer in the pocket. My key fob can fit over in the corner, and then the last two things I have in here, my AirPods. I have smaller AirPods that I can take, and then I have some pins. So, you have to rearrange because she is smaller than the Keep All 25. It's getting a little tight in here. I'm going to take my mints out. Most of the time I just have like gum in there, so it won't be, you know, too bulky, but I could put it on the top if I needed to. But like I said, I won't always have that big container of mint in there, usually something small. But yeah, if you guys can see, Everything's in there. These are all my essentials. I like to keep the zipper in the middle. Some people zip it all the way to the end, but yeah, there she is. And she's not heavy. I mean, heavier, of course, but she's not heavy at all. So I can carry her top handle or crossbody. But yeah, let's put this cutie to the side with her sister.